Maintaining and cleaning your gaming PC. Tip 1. Regularly remove dust from your PC components. Dust buildup can cause overheating and reduce performance. Use compressed air to blow out dust from the fans, heat sinks, and other components. Tip 2. Check and manage your cables. Proper cable management improves airflow and tidiness. Make sure cables are neatly tied and routed away from fan paths. Tip 3. Monitor your system temperatures. Keeping an eye on temps can prevent damage. Use software like HW Monitor or MSI Afterburner to check GPU and CPU temperatures. Tip 4. Clean your peripherals too. Keyboards and mice can accumulate grime over time. Wipe down surfaces and use compressed air to clean out keys and crevices. Tip 5. Remember to update your software and drivers regularly for optimal performance. Staying up to date can prevent compatibility issues and improve speed. And finally, consider scheduling regular maintenance checks. This will keep everything running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Follow these tips to keep your gaming PC in top shape.